Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2019 Chevy Equinox battery. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Wear safety glasses and gloves and label cable positions for reinstallation. Loosen the hold down clamp, lift the battery straight up, and avoid tipping to prevent acid spills. If battery is stuck, use a pry bar gently under the clamp. Dispose of old battery at a recycling center. I'll walk you through the tools and safety tips you need before removing the battery. Gather a 10mm socket or wrench, battery terminal puller, a pry bar, and protective gloves. Keep baking soda and water nearby to neutralize acid spills and a container for bolts. Disconnect the negative terminal first to reduce short risk, then the positive. Work in a well-ventilated area and avoid smoking near the vehicle. Have a helper if the battery is heavy. Follow these step-by-step actions to remove the battery safely and confidently. Open the hood and locate the battery, then remove any plastic covers blocking access. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp, then the positive clamp. Unbolt the hold-down clamp with the same socket and keep fasteners in a labeled container. Lift the battery straight up to avoid tipping and keep it level until placed in a tray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.